I wanted to do something memorable for Maddie's birthday. She's been struggling with her mental health lately and needed to get away from home and kind of have like a reset. So I took her to dinner at P.F. Chang's, which was right next to our hotel. And we also lucked out because right next door, there's literally a Japanese festival happening just right when we walk out from dinner. And if you know us, that is right up our alley. Last year, we actually spent a whole month traveling Japan and we became absolutely obsessed with the food and the culture and just everything. So needless to say, we started the trip off perfectly.
Make up your mind.
Pikachu stick.
That's so cool.
Like Juku, they had that, and we didn't like it.
No, we did not like takoyaki.
Hot take, because everyone else likes it apparently.
It's freaking chainsaw man.
I thought it might have been enough time.
I keep getting like major whiffs of Japan, and then I'm like, why are we in America right now when we could be in Japan?
I didn't know you were taking me to Japan for my birthday.
I know, I'm supposed to be in like the Disney mood right now. The smell of the Shinjuku alleys.
The Wagyu beef. That's what you smell.
In the alleyways.
Yeah.
Of Shinjuku.
I literally feel like I'm in Japan. Crazy. Okay, babe got what he wanted, mochi, even though it has the bean paste in it.
I know, it's just like, I have such an addiction to this. I literally get sick of it, and then I just still get it.
I prefer ice cream mochi. That's my vibe. I can't do the bean paste mochi.
Cream inside.
Is it good?
Let's go.
We're getting strawberry shaved ice.
Japanese shaved ice. It's different.
I need to like stop and
I'm so excited. Let's go upstairs. I feel like I'm gonna drop it. Look at the cream in the middle.
What was the name?
Maddie.
Maddie?
Maddie. M-A-D-D-I-E. It's weird to see other people like have your same birthday. It's like birthday twin.
Perfect, Maddie. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The official birthday pin going on in Madeline's shirt. Now everyone's gonna say happy birthday to you.
I'm so excited. It's the best birthday ever.
This is like such a good place to have a birthday.
It really is.
It's just the happiest place ever.
Like my cheeks already hurt from smiling so much, and we've been in here for 10
We have
minutes.
not even seen the castle yet.
Look, she's gone. We literally just barely made it in time to see Daisy Duck, and now she's gone. Like, it was perfect timing.
Meant to be, because
birthday miracle.
it's like the theme of the day for us, like meant to be.
So Brady always likes to complain about how small the castle is here
It's
compared
just really
to Disney
small,
World.
you know what I'm
and
saying?
it is true. This is my second time seeing it, and I was kind of like, oh yeah, it is like
Extremely
really small.
underwhelming.
But it is the original, so we'll give it that.
Yeah, we get the respect.
Boom. Face open. Getting on our first ride. Tradition is Pirates of the Caribbean.
Always.
Always.
Happy birthday. Just make sure you finish your drink before you get to the front inside,
Oh,
okay?
Drink up, ladies.
Brady for the first time just watched all the Star Wars and like sat down and actually understood it, and he did it on his prep when he had like nothing else to do. He was just sitting there and
Perfect
could
time.
actually pay attention.
That's
So this
the
is special.
Millennial Falcon, in case you guys weren't aware. It's a pretty big deal in the Star Wars world.
Okay, we're gonna get the green milk. Do you even know what it means?
I think, okay, so I know what this is now because I watched Star Wars recently, but on Luke Skywalker, he drinks blue milk, bro. So.
Oh, so are we gonna get blue milk?
I think we should get blue milk.
Plant-based blend of coconut and rice milks.
Straight from the blue cows.
She was like, did he say straight from a cow? When people actually hear what you say,
don't
you're
know.
funny.
They don't.
Most people don't hear what you say.
They also don't think I'm kidding half the time.
I know.
So this is blue milk straight from Tatooine.
Straight from the
Tatooine, the blue milk, the blue cows from Tatooine, where my boy Luke grew up, and Anakin as well. Anyway, okay.
It looks like a slushie. It says it's coconut milk, you know. Makes me feel a little better.
It is a slushie. It might be coconut. It's a slushie though. It tastes good. I like it. Maddie, I don't know. I mean, she's not a coconut person, but
It said coconut milk and plant-based. I'll try it.
plant-based milk. Plants don't have udders.
It's like a milk icy. Just kind of throwing me off. Let me try it again. The texture is so wrong.
We're just in like Donald and Daisy Duck clothes in the Star Wars universe right now, drinking blue milk. Life is good, guys.
BB-8, is everyone assembled?
This is our favorite one.
Eyes on deck. I know. Scaffold's pop.
That one's too good.
That's one of the best rides, like literally ever.
Yeah,
Like,
that's awesome.
it's so stinking good.
Yeah.
It's cooler now that I've watched Star Wars too.
Next up, the turkey leg.
Tradition, gotta do this.
Like guts.
Oh. Oh.
We're grabbing lunch at Black Tap, and we just got this Wagyu burger. So good.
Time for our second favorite ride.
Low key, I'm a little bit nervous.
This one's so fun.
I'm nervous you're gonna drop the goat.
My thighs are way higher than Maddie's, and so she just, I can't push it down any lower, so she just like
I have to hang on for
rocks. This one's so fun. All right, boys, here we go. Here we my head hurts.
We just did the Space Mountain. Brady just says he went through something traumatic. He's like, I don't know how kids do that. Look at my hair. Look at my hair.
Unbothered. So we did Space Mountain in Hong Kong, and it wasn't as crazy as the Florida one. Like it was definitely like way lower intense. But I got that one confused with this one, and here in California. And so I walked up and I was like, oh yeah, this one's like not that crazy. You know, it's really kind of a letdown, but it's still fun. You know, we'll still do it. That one was way more intense than the Florida one. I don't know. Like, I had no idea what was going on the whole time. Like, it's dark, but like...
Brady gets off and he's like, that was traumatic.
Yeah, like these kids were like, that was so fun. I'm like, you don't even understand. You just went through something traumatic. It's okay. And we were the first ones.
Yeah, we're at the very front.
I'm just like, I just gave up. I'm like, this is just my life for the next few minutes. Anyway, that was fun.
Okay,
oh, hey guys, didn't see you there. This was like mosquito. Okay. Little update for you guys. It is now 8:30 p.m. We decided to go somewhere we've never been before to eat. Just kidding. We went to El Factory of Cheesecake, which is actually Spanish for the Cheesecake Factory. And we come here all the time. If you know us, yeah, it's pretty bad. But we got a new cheesecake, so I guess in a way we are trying new things tonight. We're getting out of our comfort shells, and we're gonna try the banana cream. In 1 hour, we have a fireworks show at Disney, so we're gonna go back to Disney, which is like 10 minutes from here, and finish this night strong.
Not gonna lie, we are so tired.
I'm gonna be that guy and start from the end. I just went straight through.
Okay.
Review. Taste, very good. It's very light. It is different than normal cheesecakes here, but the taste is really good.